Tracfone service transfers allow you to move your phone number and plan to a new device using two main methods. The two primary methods are SIM swap and online transfer. A SIM swap involves physically moving the SIM card from your old phone to the new one. This method works well for older phones without eSIM support, but carries a risk of damaging the SIM card. An online transfer is done digitally through the Tracfone website or app. This is the preferred method for newer, compatible devices, especially those that support eSIM. It is more convenient and reduces the risk of SIM card damage. For a SIM swap, start by powering off both phones. Then remove the SIM card from the old phone and insert it into the new compatible phone. Power on the new phone and follow the activation prompts that appear. This process typically takes 1 to 2 hours to complete. For an online transfer, log into your Tracfone account using the app or website. Navigate to the Transfer Service section. Select your new device by entering its IMEI number or model and confirm the transfer. This method is faster and usually completes in just minutes. Ensure both phones are unlocked for Tracfone or Verizon networks. Online transfers require an active account and a stable internet connection, while SIM swaps do not need internet access.